Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you all doing fine. So let's start our class. Today we will learn about descending order. Start from big to small number. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For example, Spinosaurus want to bring an egg down. So let's count together. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it for today. See you next class. Thank you.